o'clock in the morning. I'm drinking a beer. That's okay. The things I do for YouTube. It's so close to the best time of year, patio season. And here in Northwestern Ontario, we love our patio season. I'm Yulia Graham, and if you're watching this, that makes you one of my wonderful scent siblings. My wonderful scent brother, scent sister, and non-binary scent sibling. Northwestern Ontario patio season is nigh upon us. The lake is no longer frozen, and we are ready to get down. I'm here to talk to you about three of my favorite things. This is the daytime edition of Perfumes, Patios, and Potables. Can you hear my cat? What would you like? I just read my life. So for each perfume, I'm going to be on the patio talking to you about a potable. You want to be matchy-matchy? Let's talk matchy-matchy. Matching your perfume to your outfit? Child's play. Let's match your perfume to your potable. We're out on the deck. It's a glorious Northwestern Ontario summer day. And what am I wearing, you ask? Other than my husband's parka, a hat to keep my wig warm, and these gorgeous mittens one of my students made for me. Check that out. The first scent that is perfect to languish, is that a good word? Languish? To relax on the deck, maybe with a book, but definitely with Labelle. Here we have a wonderful scent that a lot of people think is too heavy to be worn on beautiful summer sunny days. But I disagree. Labelle has classically had 3 notes associated with it, and that is pear, vetiver, and vanilla. I went on Fragrantica because I live there and found this set of notes, which includes a little bit more than pear, vetiver, and vanilla. But that is neither here nor there. If you're sitting on your patio enjoying a summer potable, might I suggest the spiced pear cocktail. I'm going to leave links for recipes for all of these drinks below. I think that drinking a wonderful spiced pear cocktail while you're wearing Labelle from Jean-Paul Gaultier would just be a lovely afternoon. The next scent that you can get all matchy-matchy with your drink on is Dolce Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. This one has notes that you'll see here, and that they include citrus and apple. A beautiful, light, airy scent that's perfect for just sitting on the patio and relaxing under the sun in the heat. This one performs really, really well in the heat. And so I give you the apple martini. Appletini, if you will. Just a yummy apple, vodka, and lemon drink that you can sip as you sit on your patio. Maybe you're wearing a lovely outfit like I am, just feeling the summer, just wash away all those winter blues. One of the scents I know I'll be reaching for this summer while I sit on the patio with a potable is Bal D'Afrique. This is the oil perfumery version of the Byredo scent. It is a lovely scent with black currant and lemon among its other notes. And so I thought, wouldn't a black currant lemon drop be a wonderful pairing with it? This has wonderful, my husband, I sat down, he said, what is that? I told him, he said, it has wonderful projection. And I said, you're so full of it. So Bal D'Afrique with a beautiful black currant lemon drop. I can just taste it now. Next on my list of perfumes to wear on your patio with your we're gonna have to edit this out. It's 3 sips of beer before breakfast. Ooh. The next scent you will smell fabulous in on the patio with a potable is Viktor and Rolf Flowerbomb. A lot of people think this one's heavy, but I really don't. The same with the Labelle. I think it's all in how you wear it. This one to me has a beautiful projection, and it makes it lovely for anyone sitting near you. And you don't have to overspray in the summer. The heat really helps your scent to project. It really helps your scent to stay. And so for me, Flowerbomb by Viktor, oh, that's too many bears. Flowerbomb by Viktor and Rolf is a perfect summer afternoon scent. And it has notes that you will see here that include rose and bergamot and tea. And wouldn't this rose lime iced tea be a perfect pair with this? Imagine you're just sitting, soaking up the rays and drinking a beautiful rose lime iced tea. It's such a bougie thing to put rose petals into your drink, but it just adds that level of sophistication you might want while you're sitting on the deck. I chose very casual scents. To me, they're very casual for this daytime edition of perfumes, patios, and potables. If I take a sip every time I say potable, I'm gonna be toasted before breakfast. It's a light beer, sweetie, 4%. We're in Canada, 4%. I don't think that Flowerbomb or any of these are necessarily heavy hitters. You know, I've heard people talk about them that way, but it's all what you like. It's what you like. When you think of sitting on your patio in the summer relaxing, it's whatever you like. So these are what I like, and these are some drinks that go with it. The last one I want to talk to you about is the one that inspired all of this, and that is the L'Impératrice by Dolce Gabbana. So that's 2 Dolce Gabbanas. L'Impératrice, everybody talks about how light it is and that it's like a body spray. And I agree with both of those things. This is an extremely inoffensive, light, fruity, beautiful scent to wear in the daytime, on a patio. It's casual, it's beautiful, and it has those watermelon and strawberry notes that make it so perfect in the summer. And what would the perfect potable for that be? I have no idea because I had 8 sips of beer. Strawberry watermelon punch. These are my picks for perfumes, patios, and potables. Thank you so much for joining me on my first of an epic two-part series. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Yulia Graham, and you are my wonderful scent brother, scent sister, and non-binary scent sibling, and we are in .ca. That's Canada, Northwestern Ontario. If you want those scent fairies to get their wings, you know what to do. This was a very bad idea. I'm cold.